Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a curious little boy named Nomi. Nomi loved to explore the forest near his home, where he would often sit by the riverbank and talk to his wise old friend, an ancient turtle who had lived for many, many years. "Why do we need friends, old turtle?" The turtle looked up slowly and smiled. "Nomi, friends are the helping hands of each other. They share joy, lighten burdens, and make life more beautiful." Nomi listened carefully. The turtle's words touched his heart. That evening, he ran home and excitedly told his father, "Papa, the old turtle told me something special today. He said that friends are very important. They help and support each other." "Yes, he is right, Nomi." But then, suddenly his voice faded, and his face turned quiet and serious. He stopped speaking and looked away. "Papa, what happened?" he asked, but his father didn't answer. The next day, Nomi returned to the turtle, his heart heavy with worry. He told the turtle what had happened and how his father had suddenly gone silent after hearing about friends. The old turtle closed his eyes and thought deeply. "Tell me, Nomi, what does your father do all day?" "Papa is always busy. He wakes up early, works in the fields, repairs the house, takes care of the animals and helps Mama. He does everything alone and never complains. He has no time to meet anyone or rest." The turtle nodded slowly. "Your father feels alone, my dear Nomi. He carries so many responsibilities on his shoulders. He doesn't want to share his burdens with your family, but deep inside he wishes for a friend, someone to talk to, someone to understand him." That night, Nomi couldn't sleep. He thought about his father working hard and feeling lonely. He felt a deep sadness in his heart. Early the next morning, as the sun rose, Nomi tiptoed into the kitchen where his father was preparing for the day. He hugged him tightly and said, "Papa, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were so lonely. From now on, I will be your friend, your helping hand." His father smiled and replied, "Thank you, my son. That means more than anything to me." From that day on, Nomi helped his parents with their work. He spent more time with them, listened to their stories and made them smile. And slowly the house felt warmer, lighter, filled with laughter, love, and the bond of true friendship. Kids, what do you learn from this? And also try to follow this in your real life. True friendship begins at home. A kind heart and a helping hand can bring light even to the busiest and loneliest of lives.
Now I'm helping my father. Why didn't you like and subscribe to me? Now it's time to learn some words. Repeat with us. Serious. Serious. Preparing. Preparing.